Mr. Pen Mechanical Pencil Pack is the ultimate essential tool for drafting, drawing, and sketching. It is also ideal for everyday use, such as taking notes. The package includes 5 mechanical pencils in 5 sizes, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, and 2 mm, and lead refills for each size. The mechanical pencils are made from non-slip, soft grip material for comfortable handling. They are also color-coded for quick selection of your desired lead size. The set comes with extra mechanical pencil erasers, and the 2 mm mechanical pencil has its own built-in lead sharpener.